Hello and welcome. We're back with another episode of Showroom Steals, and this time we're going to talk about our favorite kitchen trends for 2023.
You don't have to have a massive budget to have an on-trend home. Showroom Steals is all about breaking down the trends that you would see in a designer showroom, but we show you how you can get the look for less.
We're out with the old and in with the new. The new year is the perfect time to bring inspiration to life and into your home, and we think some of these trends are really going to inspire you to switch things up a little and bring a fresh look to your kitchen. The first kitchen trend we're going to focus on for 2023 centers around kitchen cabinets. We're seeing a huge resurgence in natural wood tones, and I personally love the warmth it brings into a kitchen. If you already have wood floors in your kitchen, you can match the cabinet stain to the floor for a seamless look, or go a few shades lighter or darker to make your cabinets pop a bit more. I will say, updating your cabinets can be a pretty big financial commitment. I went down a rabbit hole the other night and found a custom cabinet maker that I loved, but when I checked their FAQs, I found out their minimum project budget was $30,000. I don't know about you, but that's not currently in my budget. So then I spent a few more restless hours looking for ways to pull off this natural wood look without breaking the bank, and it hit me. Unfinished cabinets. Unfinished cabinets, and really any unfinished furniture, is usually way less expensive than a finished piece. Lowe's has tons of project source cabinets that are natural oak and at a fraction of the cost of finished cabinets. And the bonus? Buying unfinished cabinetry allows you to fully customize what color stain you want. If you're looking for something that feels modern and organic, you can check out stain colors like mint wax pickled oak, warm white, or weathered oak. If you're going for a warmer look, maybe something a bit more traditional, or even along the lines of cottagecore, I love mint wax's special walnut and early American stain colors. If you're not ready to take on that big of a DIY project, don't worry, you can still get a whole new look with this simple hack. Rather than buying completely new cabinets, try replacing the doors on your existing cabinets. That allows you to pick a more updated look that fits your style without having to do any kind of demo to your existing kitchen. And one of the most cost-effective ways to customize your new doors is by adding new knobs and drawer pulls. One of my all-time favorites and the ones I use on my personal kitchen cabinets are these. This next trend is perhaps a little broader and open to interpretation, but character is in for kitchens in 2023. A clean white kitchen is nice, but we're really seeing people amp up their personal style. One of the best ways to add some pizzazz is by adding color. You can do this in so many ways. If you already have a stark white kitchen but don't want to commit to full redesign, try bringing in some colorful decor pieces like hand towels, vases, and even art. We're seeing tons of art pop up in the kitchen in 2023, and it's the perfect way to bring in some character. If you're a fan of the boho chic look, try bringing in some rattan accents or hanging wall baskets like this one from Allen & Roth. Or use some pampas grass as a centerpiece on your island or kitchen table. If you lean more towards the cozy cottagecore look, try layering in copper pots and small pieces of art that feature landscapes and nature. If you're ready to really commit to a bolder look, painting your cabinets makes a massive impact. We're loving earthy greens, jewel tones, and warm pastels. If you're a renter and want to amp up the vibes but can't do anything permanent, don't fret. Using peel and stick towel is an awesome way to get a lot of bang for your buck. You can easily switch up your backsplash without having to worry about your landlord finding out. Peel and stick towel has come a long way in the past few years and can really add a layer of sophistication to an otherwise plain kitchen. I personally love this blue and white option. They remind me so much of azulejos, which are traditional tin glazed ceramic tiles that you see in lots of Spanish and Portuguese architecture. Those are just a few ways to bring some character to your cooking space, but ultimately, do what feels best to you. Personal elements like small knickknacks, souvenirs from your past travels, and nods to your family and heritage are really what will make your kitchen shine. Last but not least, let's talk about using non-traditional materials for your kitchen countertops. In the past few years, we've seen marble and granite really shine as countertop options. They're not going anywhere, but they are making way for some more unexpected and more affordable options to take center stage in 2023. One of our favorite new materials is Decton. The material is a combination of porcelain, quartz, and glass, and it looks a lot like more expensive options like marble and soapstone, but at a fraction of the cost. It's super scratch resistant, doesn't stain, and can withstand lots of heat. It really lends itself to a modern, glam look, and I think it would really make a statement if you used it on a waterfall island or for a slab backsplash that goes all the way to the ceiling, which, by the way, is another trend that we're loving. If you're looking for a cost-effective counter option that's a little less modern and a little warmer, Butcher block might be the answer for you. It's less expensive than other popular materials like granite and quartz, but still makes a big statement in your kitchen. Before you tell us we're crazy, we know butcher block isn't for everyone. It has lots of pros. It's a great price point, you can clean it with soap and water, which would streak on other materials like granite, and it's easy to refinish with a little sandpaper and food-safe oil. It can stain and scratch easier than stone does, and it's not heat resistant. So while we love the look, we always want you to make sure it fits your lifestyle, but is functional too. If you want the best of both worlds, we're seeing a lot of people add butcher block to a portion of their countertops rather than replacing their entire counters with a new material. This will save you money and provide a functional accent piece in your kitchen. And that's a wrap on our favorite kitchen trends for 2023. What do you guys think? Are you gonna try any of these out in your own home? Let us know in the comments and be sure to like, subscribe, and tune in next time. Happy New Year, everyone!